How to find halfway point on Google Maps. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Google Maps application on your device over here and then search for a location over here. So search for one of the first location, and as you do that, what you can do is simply tap on the saved option and then name it over here. So just name it over here as any of the names and then tap on create. Now you have set the location, so go back and then search for the second location over here again. As you do that, what you can simply do is tap on the more option at the bottom of the screen and then tap on measure distance. So tap on measure distance, and here you can just join the two locations over here. And over here at the bottom of the screen, you can see the distance over here between the 2 points. So what you're going to do is you can divide the distance by 2 and you can just make it half over here. So we're going to go for 0.6 over here. And then tap on the point and then tap on add point. So as you do that, you'll be able to find the halfway point on Google Maps between the two locations. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.